Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up N8N on Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger H panel and go to the hosting section. Then, ensure your plan supports Docker or use a VPS plan for full access. Next, install node.js, npm and Docker on your VPS via SSH. Then, pull the official N8N Docker image using Docker pull n8n eo/n8n. Create an env file to define n8n_host, n8n_port, db_type, and credentials. Now, run n8n using Docker with volume mapping by using the code which you can see on your screen. Then, access n8n in your browser at yourdomain.com5678. Next, use Nginx or Hostinger's reverse proxy to expose none on port 80/443. Then, secure it with SSL, Let's Encrypt, or Cloudflare and set up persistent backups. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.